Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I want to talk about 3 Galaxy Watch Ultra features that will keep you more active throughout the day. So let's get started and see what these features are. The first feature that I want to talk about is inactive time alerts, and you can access it by going in settings, then go in health settings, and here scroll down and you will find inactive time. Tap on it and you can set your start time. Now this is the time window between which your watch can detect your inactive time alert. So for example, if you don't want the watch to detect your inactivity before 7 a.m. or after 7 p.m., you can exclude that time and your watch will not alert you of inactivity. So that time is set up here, and then you can select the days. So for example, if you like to relax on the weekend, you can opt out of Saturday and Sunday. After you have set this up, if your watch detects any inactivity for 15 minutes, it will alert you that you have been inactive for a long time. So it's time to get up, move around, and even stretch. The second feature that I want to talk about is the daily activity, which I've noticed that many people don't really care about. They have the watch on, but they don't care about these daily activities. So set your daily activity goals. You can access this by going into the Samsung Health app, and you scroll up, you'll find daily activity. Go in here. So daily activity consists of steps, active time, and activity calories. Here you can see how much calories you burn, how much distance you've covered, how many steps you have taken, for how long you were active throughout the day, how many floors you climbed, how many hours you were active. So you can see all of this in daily activity, and this is a very good way of staying on top of how active you are throughout the day. Now this is achieved through setting up your targets. Scroll down and you will find set targets. Go in here, and here you will see 3 categories: motion, time, and calories. Now each of them have additional categories. If I go in motion, you'll find steps, floors, and active hours. So what kind of motion you want to achieve? You want to achieve steps, the number of floors you climbed, or active hours. You can tap on these further and set these targets. Then we have time. Go in time. Here you can select whether you want to stay active and the time that you want to stay active for. Second is exercise. And then we have raised heart rate activity. So you can select between these, and if you tap them, you can then change these time targets. And the last one is calories. So if I tap on calories, here you will find your activity calories or your exercise calories that you want to burn throughout the day. So you can switch between them as well. Now, once you have set this all up, this will show up in your daily activity dashboard on your watch. And this is where you can see exactly if you have hit your targets every day or not. So once you set this up and you're more intentional towards achieving these goals, you will automatically become more active in your daily life. And the easiest way to stay on top of these activities every day is either by setting up a daily activity complication in the watch face, or you can also set up the daily activity tile in the widget section. And this tile will tell you how many steps you've taken, how much active you have been throughout the day, and how many calories you have burned. The third thing that will make you more active throughout the day or on daily basis is the energy score. This is a new feature that they have integrated in Galaxy Watch Ultra, and this is a Galaxy AI feature. The watch takes your activity, your sleep, and your daily heart rate and analyzes it through AI and gives you this score. Now this score represents how active and healthy you have been on the previous day based on your sleep, your activity, and your heart rate. If you scroll up, you can see your energy score factors, which consists of your sleep consistency, bed wake time consistency, sleeping time, previous day activity, sleeping heart rate variability, heart rate during sleep, heart rate variability during sleep, your skin temperature, and your respiratory rate. So this takes a lot of variables from you when you're wearing the watch and gives you this one energy score. And if you keep track of this energy score and keep track of all of these things and you try to improve them, your energy score will improve automatically. And if your energy score is improving, your health will automatically improve. So this is another way of staying active and staying healthy on a daily basis by just following your energy score and being more intentional about it. If you want more information about energy score, you can simply tap on show on phone and you can read about your energy score and how this works. But if you just use these 3 health features on your watch, you'll be more active, you'll become healthier, and you'll become more intentional towards your overall energy. So that's about it from this video, guys. I hope this was helpful. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.